What is finance? Finance is a very broad term and it is very difficult to define it in one sentence. The closest definition that we can have is that finance is the study of money. And study means the creation and management of money. Finance has two broad categories: personal finance and business finance. Personal finance is about the study of your personal money, like how much you earn, how much you spend, or how much you should spend, how much you should save, and what should you do with your savings. Business finance is about the study of finance from the perspective of organizations and businesses, including companies' profits, its investments, and cash positions, and so on. When you are dealing with personal finance, your main goal is to manage your money. It involves creating a budget, maintaining your incomes, managing your expenses, dealing with your savings. And these savings can then be invested somewhere else to generate a second source of income. Let's try to understand this with the help of an example by making a budget. Say that you are earning a monthly salary of 100,000 rupees and you have invested some money in a mutual fund or maybe stock market from where you are getting a profit of 50,000 rupees. So your monthly income from these two sources of income will be 150,000 rupees. And then you will take your expenses and divide them in different categories, like the household expenses, which normally include groceries and utilities and so on. Then you have fuel expense, and maybe you do some shopping, and you also hang out with your friends or colleagues, and so you dine out sometime. This will take your total expenses to 70,000 rupees, which means that you saved 80,000 rupees in this month. Now you can either put these savings aside in an emergency fund, or you could invest it somewhere to earn some additional money. And then you repeat the same exercise for the next month, and then for the month after that, and then you keep doing it to manage your money. That is all there is to personal finance. You manage your money, monitor your expenses, make sure that you have some savings, and that's it. Business finance is much more complicated than that. Personal finance is dealing with money of just one person, while the business finance is about dealing with the money of an entire organization or business. So in business finance, you will probably have to take into consideration things like revenues and cost of those revenues, profits of the company, what new investments company should make, whether its past investments are paying good return, making sure that the company doesn't run out of money at any given time, and things like that. So due to these complexities, business finance cannot be controlled through simple working like we did in personal finance. So there are mainly three statements through which finance situation of a company is evaluated and monitored. Income statement. This statement is used for calculating the profits of the company by looking at its revenues and costs of generating those revenues and other business expenses. Then there is balance sheet. Balance sheet tells you the financial position of the business at any given date. Income statement is for a particular period, say 1 month or maybe more, which means that it will show all the revenues and costs incurred during that 1 month. Balance sheet does not give information on all the transactions that took place during that month. Rather, the balance is on the last date of the month. And then there is cash flow statement, which shows how much actual cash has come in and gone out of the business and how much cash the business has at the end of a particular period. In my next video, I will walk you through in detail on what these three statements mean, how to prepare them, and how to study them.